Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So first of all, sorry if the lighting is crappy, but it's dark outside and that's not going to do much as far as lighting, so I'm using my indoor lighting, so ignore that. But today I have a super exciting video. I have an unboxing. And so, yeah. This package is a backpack. I know that's shocking. I'm not really a backpack person, but in grad school and all of the books I carry, I'm a backpack person. But this is a special kind of backpack, and I'm probably going to do a separate video just on like the history of this type of backpack, since I am going to be a history teacher. I think that would be kind of a cool video to film. But this is a backpack from ShopRanran. It is a Rendosero. Don't know exactly how to pronounce that. In my second video I'll have the right pronunciation. But yeah, this is just going to be a quick unboxing. Make sure I'm not showing. But I'm going to open up this bad boy. I've recently really gotten into like Japan, kawaii type stuff, so when looking for a backpack I knew I had to get one of these, and I saw the review that Kelly Eden did on her backpack. I love Kelly Eden, she's my girl. I'll have her video linked in the down bar. It's probably going to be a lot better than mine, but yeah, so just opening it. There's a box inside the box. And on the front, this is actually something she talked about in her video. It kind of has like a tree that has all kinds of school supply stuff on it, which, you know, I'm all about. But yeah, I really just want to see what this looks like. So I am going to take a picture of that box later because that is my aesthetic. Ow. The box has already tried to hurt me. That's not a good sign. Oh my gosh, the color looks so gorgeous. How is it? There we go. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Get off. Get off. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. It's so cute, I love it. So, oh, I forgot I have to put the straps together myself. That's gonna be fun. But, yeah. Just take this plastic off real quick. Maybe. Okay, how does this work? There we go. Okay, that seems really secure. I like that. And, yeah, so here's the inside. I like how sturdy it is. And there's like two pockets, so I could probably keep my tablet in that pocket. That's super handy. There's a front pocket right here. You can put like extra school supplies in, and yeah, there's like a little window in the front, and then up here, this is like where like Japanese school children would put their school schedules. But yeah, just a quick look at the bag. It is so gorgeous. I got the, okay, we're going to close this just for now. I got the red kawaii print, so it has like a little crown on the side, and then little jewels on that side, and then a heart right there. It's so pretty. I love it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a full in-depth review on this bag once I actually use it to see, so I can let you all know if it's good for school. And yeah, this was just a quick unboxing of my beautiful Randosuro, however the heck you say it. But yeah, it's so pretty. And I'll have the shop site linked down below too, so you can look at their stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Stick around for the history of this type of bag. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.